Police has already cancelled. Manoj have already highlighted.
But my lord, personnel, who are the police personnel?
सर इसमें सर जो पिछली तारीख को जो अपनी पेशी की थी,
आप ये बताइए 41A का नोटिस कैसे इशू किया?
सर इसमें जो धारा 409 थी सर जो गैर वक्त थी,
अगर एंटीसिपेटरी बेल खारिज हो जाए क्या मतलब होता है उसको? क्या मतलब होता है?
तो इसमें सर गिरफ्तारी मिला।
फिर आपको किसी ने बताया था? किसने आपको एडवाइस दिया थे?
सर ये मैं पूर्व में जो विवेचक और वो थे सर उनसे पूछा मैंने, मेरी उपस्थिति के बाद हुई है सर। और इसके बाद सर जो केस को रीओपन करने के लिए दोबारा विवेचना करने के लिए इसको खोल लिया गया है सर, इसकी परमिशन भी ले ली गई है सर। और इसमें साक्ष्य संकलन की जो टीम बाहर जाना है सर उसके लिए भी हमने परमिशन के लिए भेज दिया था। तो इसमें जो भी कार्रवाई होती है।
आपने अपनी ड्यूटी प्रॉपर्ली निभाई आपको लगता है? बताइए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट से अगर आप इनकी एंटीसिपेटरी बेल खारिज हो गई इसका क्या मतलब होता है?
इसमें सर जो पूर्व में थाना प्रभारी विवेचक उनको साहब ने तलब किया है सर डीसीपी साहब द्वारा, उसको क्या किया गया, कैसे किया गया, इस संबंध में सब।
Can I only submit one Supreme Court judgment, my lord?
This is highly objectionable.
No, mere discretion, mere rejection of my anticipatory bail application does not mean that I must be arrested. My lord, first of all, kindly see the order of the Supreme Court.
Then what is the purpose of 438?
What does the Supreme Court order say, my lord? Supreme Court order says they went to file fresh application for anticipatory bail once it settles with the bank. Obviously, Supreme Court did not ask me to go and surrender. So I took my family into confidence, came back on the board, and this order, my lord, this order.
It is not question.
No, this order is rejected of my SLP is of July 2024.
It is not the question of what you think about this order. It is the question what they think about this order.
No, my lord, I am not.
I'm only asking.
Yes, my lord, but I have appeared.
I am not even asking you a question.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Apart from that, my lord, merely because the first informant says that he must be arrested, does not mean that I must be arrested. He has no participation.
No,
as far as my arrest is concerned.
The police personnel are playing into your hands.
I beg your pardon, my lord.
Police personnel are playing into your hands.
How is it, my lord? How is it possible?
That's what I'm asking you.
No.
Not you, but the police person.
That your lordship may ask them for an explanation to file a report. But as far as I'm concerned.
I'm not asking you anything.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. क्या कहना आपको?
In the last date of hearing, SHO is himself appeared along with the IU. My lord had directed them that एक गठन दल का गठन किया जाए और उसमें आगे कोर्सिव एक्शन लिए जाए. My lord, looking into the order of this bench only, जिसमें ये my lord have observed that custodial intervention in medicine. This court has observed that, my lord. इनकी डायरेक्ट किया गया था not through just to the office.
तो ये जो एक्शन ले रहे हैं क्या कुछ पूछ के ले रहे हैं? ये अब क्या करना है बताइए?
We apprised them of the order of this honorable court, the categorical finding of this court, and the order of the Supreme Court, and the affidavit of the state in front of the Supreme Court as well. We've apprised the investigation. इसमें तक पूरी चालान कर दिया था, उसके बाद सब भी हम विवेचना करेंगे, चाहे कुछ भी कार्रवाई करेंगे, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों की आवश्यकता रहती है, परमिशन वो ले लिए सर हमने. ये बताने के लिए भी टीम बन गई. तो
51 का एक नोटिस किसने इशू किया था?
सर उस समय तत्काल सर लोकेश भदौरिया. लोकेश भदौरिया.
So I'm directing an inquiry again. And when your application is to be heard by the judge?
It is kept in the afternoon for hearing, my lord.
Today only?
Yes. My lord, your lordship may kindly see my conduct. On the earlier occasion, my lord, your lordship has taken a strong view as far as my conduct was concerned. I had filed for anticipatory bail before the Sessions Court, which was rejected. I came here. Simultaneously, I filed an application under 482 as advised by my lawyers. I wasn't even appearing in the courts. I had not come before the courts. My lord, your lordship was of the view that because it was adjourned on a number of occasions, the applicant, the petitioner then, was forum shopping. That is not correct, my lord. I have never taken such steps. My lord. Apart from that,
Not required to.
Yes,
Not required to argue
yeah.
all this. Yes.
thereafter I went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court in July 2024. July 2024 granted me this order to go and settle with the bank. My lord, earlier what accused number 3 had done was taking advantage of my father's old age, had mortgaged his other shares and tried to get the papers out, which I had to, once I came back to India in 2023, I had to settle everything. I cleared those shares from the bank because they are much valuable. Thereafter, I have taken to make efforts to settle with the bank. That about, my lord. Kindly see the conduct of the first informant and his associates. Accused number 3. I got the company got the land valued in 2017 for 37 crores. It was sold for 20 crores. Now it has been sold to a builder for 8 crores. What does it say? That fraud has taken place not only on the company, but also on the central government and the state government by declaring the value of the property as 8 crores, which was 37 crores in 2017. Obviously, there is more that has to be investigated into this, their conduct. And my lord, at one stage, the person who has signed the sale deed had made a statement before the company in 2021 that half the property has been acquired or earmarked for a bus depot. And how was it sold when the property was still mortgaged to the bank? That itself is a fraud, my lord, on the company. Actually, I am the victim. The company is the victim.
Majority share.
I may be the majority shareholder. I was 15% shareholding. My father is others. How did this gentleman accused number 3 and the person who signed on behalf of the company sell it for 20 crores when the land was valued in 2017 for 35 crores? And the person who purchases the property, the first informant, sells it to a builder for 8 crores. Land, my lord, in Indore is so precious, it should escalate from 35 crores, it should be more than 100 crores today. Instead of that, they have declared a value of 8 crores. I am ready to face any investigation, my lord. But my liberty can't be trampled with just because the first informant appears to be a little more active and colluding with my own company officers. And I submitted all my accounts to say that none of the monies of 20 crores came in my personal account or an account which was held by me. It is always controlled and used. Accused number 3, he had advantage of my father's age of 90 years. It is they who are playing the fraud. And my lord, making a false complaint, making unconceived complaint that I was present in a meeting when my passport shows that I exited in India.
I'll pass you.
Yes, madam.
One small. All these points were considered by this honorable court as well as the
My
Supreme
lord, no. Your lordship did not consider the merits. If your lordship sees the order, merits are not considered when my application is dismissed.
I have not even issued you the notice. So you
That's why, my lord,
to argue anything at all.
I took your lordship's permission to only address.
What is your name?
Satish Maneshinde, my lord. I am from Mumbai. My first visit here was 35 years ago. I have enough association with Indore, my lord. In fact, your lordship was Justice Kumar. He was my AOR once I came 35 years back. And I have a intern who has now blossomed to be a good lawyer in Indore, my lord.
I'll pass you.
Please, madam. First time I'm appearing with your lordship. I'm ready. Well, I'm ready.
Last date of hearing, last opportunity was granted to the state to file the reply.
Reply, sir. Which agreement?